This is Laura Walker. I'm showing how to paint an anatomical illustration. I had the drawing of a healthy knee, and I started with shading the light colors first. I like to do that. I also like to do, we're just filling in the colors, but I hate to blow dry my watercolors, so I choose to fill in areas that don't touch each other. And then while that's drying, I move on to a different area. So you see that I'm just kind of skipping around the painting. Here I'm starting to do the detail work on top of, now that I've filled in all the main colors. I used to tell people in my classes, go from the biggest backest to the smallest frontest. You don't start with details. You work your way to the details. And there I'm filling in the fine details now, and that just really makes a piece sing. That's when I get so excited, when it's starting to come together and really pop. This piece ended up having kind of a folk art vibe. I surrounded a healthy knee with herbs that aid in the health of the knee. I'm looking at a surgery, and I'm just trying to focus on the rewards of having a partial knee replacement.